Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by unlocking your phone and opening the app or web page you want added. You must be on the specific screen or page you plan to pin, because that determines the shortcut target. Once done, locate the app icon or browser menu. On many phones, a long press or browser menu reveals the home option. Make sure background sync is complete so the shortcut points to the right content, and proceed when the icon or menu item appears. Next, perform the action to add. On app launch, long press the icon. On a web page, open the browser menu and choose Add to Home Screen. You will see a prompt to name the shortcut. Use a short, recognizable label so you can find it quickly. Then tap Add or Confirm. Many systems let you drag the new icon to a preferred spot or folder. Make sure you place it on the correct home page, because relocating later can be slower. Finally, tap the new home icon to verify it opens the exact screen or URL you wanted. If it does not, delete the shortcut and repeat the add process, ensuring the app is up to date and the browser allowed shortcut creation. Once done, organize icons or add to a folder for quick access. If you still don't see the icon, restart the device. This often refreshes the launcher and fixes visibility or placement issues. Try re-adding after reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.